Hi guys, Mike here at Ride Pro in sunny Florida, blue skies. I've got a 2009 California Sidecar Trike Kit on an 09 with 40,000 miles. It's all here, intercom, CB, headlight adjusters, the California Sidecar Kit. When you turn your turn signals on, you got turning lights, brakes, disc brakes in the rear. This bike's got a few little stone chips here and there. Down here we got some stone chips, and I know there's some around the other side. Armrest, cup holders in the armrest, driver's backrest. It's a nice clean trike. Luggage rack, some chrome peeling on the bumper. You can put an LED light across there as well. I've got a trunk, storage in the bottom of the trunk, place for your pistol, intercom systems, storage, and more storage. Got backup lights, just like a car. You want to back her up, there's some chips right there. Needs a little touch up, a little love. Cup holder for mama. Got chrome wheel lips. And like I say, disc brakes with the California Sidecar Trike Kit. Good independent rear suspension for a great ride. There's little stone chips here and there. It's not brand new. It's 10 years old. It's not 40 grand. Intercom talk button. Sounds good. Great collar. We can help you with shipping anywhere in the United States. She's pretty. She's at Ride Pro. Right here in sunny Florida, Tampa, Florida.